The 2012 BMW 650i convertible by AC Schnitzer. If there was something the Frankfurt Motor Show missed, it definitely was not tuning packages. TechArt, Hamann, Brabus, and Alpina, among others, all came out to play. AC Schnitzer was also there with not one, but two impressive packages, the 1 Series M Coupe and the second kit based on the BMW 6 Series convertible. For the 6 Series convertible, the tuner is offering a performance upgrade that will increase the V8's engine output from 407 to a whopping 540 HP. With the extra 133 HP, the BMW will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, a 0.5 second improvement from the standard 4.9 seconds. This power increase has been combined with a twin sports rear silencer with chromed sport trim tailpipe trims, an 8-pot high-performance brake system for the front, and an AC Schnitzer suspension spring kit. For the exterior, the tuner is offering a new front spoiler, a chromed front grille and chrome decor strips, a rear skirt insert, and loading lip protection film. Then there's the new set of 21 inches Type 8 forged alloy wheel in bicolor to round out the look from the outside. The interior gets covered in a matte space gray, and benefits from a sports airbag steering wheel, an AC Schnitzer black line aluminum cover for the iDrive system controller, and AC Schnitzer aluminum foot rests and pedals.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.